Specialized in project management, notably in the fields of construction, property and conference centers, Swiss Management SARL advises and accompanies you throughout all of your research and implementation, both in Switzerland and internationally. Preparation, development, presentation, and finally results. Swiss Management is active at every step of the process, bringing dynamism and foresight. Based on a solid network of skills, Swiss Management carries out feasibility studies, ensures financial and budgetary management of projects, and implements effective cost control, both in the office and on-site. And thanks to strategic and intensive experience, Swiss Management's agents act with professionalism and bring innovative solutions and ideas that respect environmental and sustainable development standards. With Swiss Management, boost and secure your property project.